Hello? Hello, V? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear.
Yeah, okay. So let's continue our lesson. Okay, now, I want you to send to me your sentence B regarding the structure on the Skype, okay? So what number you are?
Yeah,
You are in what
so
number?
for
Okay, number 4. Okay, continue. Okay, I'm going to write it here. We are going to use do if you're talking about, okay, we, if our subject is we, they, or you. We're going to use does if our subject is he, she, and it. Okay. Okay, for asking question. Okay. And for answering, okay, do you want to learn to play? Okay. Now, what is lacking in your sentences B would be you forgot to put what?
hmm?
Because you're
Yeah.
asking question. So you forgot to put
Ah, wait a minute.
yes. Okay. Okay. You have to edit that one
Edit.
because you're asking question. Okay. So therefore, don't forget to put question mark because you are asking question. If you will not going to put question mark, then you're not asking question. So that's the purpose of question mark. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, for a while, huh? For a while, for a moment, I have to check all of that. Okay. Okay. Wait for a while. Okay, now, V, we do not use once, okay? It's just only one, okay? Because the structure is would be only subject, only do or thus plus subject plus want to learn, okay? So I want you to omit the S for once. So we do not use once. Why? If we are asking question, we don't use the what it is one the simple present tense of the verb. Okay, so we do not use once. Okay, V. So it should be do or thus plus want to learn. So we don't have an S. So I want you to edit again that one. Omit the S for your wants. That's like your sentence number 2. Does she wants? So it should only be does she want to learn to swim? And then your sentence number 4. Does he want to learn to skate? Why? Because we are asking question. So the verb that we are going to use in there should be also under the what is one under the simple present. Okay, so can you edit that one again?
Yeah.
Okay, does he want? Does she want? Do not use wants. Okay, because we are asking
Yes.
question. Okay, so it should be the verb infinitive or the base form only. Okay, we do not put s in it. Okay, like thus, she want to learn to swim. Okay, look at this. Did I put S at once? No, I didn't put an S. So please omit, okay, erase the S in your sentence that she wants to learn to swim because supposed to be it doesn't have an S in there. Can you do that? Okay, look at my example. You read my sentence.
Yeah.
Okay, you use want, right?
You.
To change that into want. Okay, because we do not use s in there. Why? Because we use thus and do and does. So if you're asking question, so the verb is just only in its base form. Okay? Okay, read the chat, B. I sent you the chat. Okay, I'm going to check this, huh? I'm going to send it to you again. So please double check this one.
Just
So
want.
it should be want.
Oh, wants.
Yes. No, that's not wants. It's just only want. Okay?
Oh,
So do you want to learn to play? Does she want to learn to play? Do they want to learn to play piano? Okay. So that is it. So erase the S for wants. It's just only want. That is what I mean. Did you got your okay? Number one is correct. Do you want to learn to play? That's correct. Number two is wrong. Okay, so what would be the correct one? Does she want to learn to swim? So without an S for the wants. Okay, V, did you got what? Did you got the point? Did you got what I mean?
yeah.
Yes. So please edit that. Okay, you have to omit or you have to erase the S, just like this one. Number three, your sentence number three is correct. Do they want to learn to play piano? That's correct. Number four sentence is wrong. Does he wants to learn to skate? That is not. Okay, very good. Okay, your spelling. Okay, I want you to spell want correctly. Your number two sentence, you misspelled want. Okay, can you edit that one again?
Yeah.
Your sentence number two. Look at that. It's not the spelling. Does she you want? Because you want, you put it there, you want. That's not the correct spelling B. Okay, would you kindly check that? Okay, edit again. Number two. Sentence
Number
number
two.
two.
Yeah.
Yes. Look at that. So that's the spelling of want is wrong. Okay. Now this one is correct. Very good, huh? Now this time we are going to answer the question B. Okay? I'm going to write your sentence again one by one, okay? And I want you to answer me using using a positive or negative answer. Okay. I want you to answer me positively first. So positive answer for do you want to learn to play? So I want you to answer me positive answer. That means That means we have to use the structure yes. Okay? Yes. Yes. And you
You
do. Okay?
do.
Yes, you do. Or or we can say yes. If you're talking about yourself, yes, I do. Okay? That's
Yeah.
it. That's for positive. For negative, you can answer me like this. No, okay, you too. Or we can say, no, I don't. Okay,
Yeah.
right? Okay, now let's try to read the sentence number one that you made. Do you want to learn to play? So there are two possible answers to that. Positive answer or negative answer. For the positive answer, you may say, yes, you do if you are talking to someone else. But if you're talking to yourself, you have to say, yes, I do. Okay? For the negative answer, can you open the chat, B? Read the chat. I send you the chat on how to do that. Okay, can you
Yeah.
read the chat? Open it.
Me. Wait. Yeah.
Okay, so do you want to learn to play? So positive answer, yes, you do. Or if you're talking to yourself, yes, I do. For the negative one, no, you do. Or no, I don't. Okay, question number two. Okay, based on your sentence, does she want to learn
To
to
learn
swim?
to
Okay,
swim.
swim. Okay, I want you to answer two possible answers. Positive answer first, then followed by a negative answer. Can you do that? Okay, type your answer B. Positive, negative answers. V.
Answer.
Okay, yes. Answer. Type your answer just like what I did. Does she want to learn to swim? Or give me your answer. Positive answer first, and then followed by a negative answer. So does
Yes, leader.
she? Yes, she does. You forgot to put period. Don't forget to put a period at the end of your sentence, huh? Because that's a sentence. Okay, look at that. Please edit your answer, please.
Yeah.
Okay, please edit your answer. Okay,
Answer.
can you read my chat? I send you a period, a dot. Okay, please edit that. Very good. So this one is correct. Okay. Next, what about the negative answer now? Does she want to learn to swim? Your positive answer is yes, she does. What about the negative answer? So what about the negative answer, V? No,
No,
no, she.
he doesn't.
Okay, can you type your answer, please?
Yes.
Yes. No, she doesn't. Very good. Okay. So this one is correct. Okay. Now, on our next meeting, V, let's try to do our lesson at the cloud class. Okay. If we can make it. Okay, V? But if we can't, we just have to go back with Zoom. Okay? Okay, V?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So it's already time now. So it's about time for us to say goodbye. We'll see you again next week, and I hope we can be able to make it at the cloud class. Okay, V? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so do you have any questions with this? No more
Yeah.
question? No more questions. Okay, so if you don't have any more question, V, let's end up our lesson for today. See you again next meeting. Bye.
Bye.
Okay.